it's Gina with your note of the week. This week, I'm going to show you a tool in receiving that a lot of people don't know about. Counterpoint gives you the ability to receive against multiple purchase orders on the same receiver, as long as they're from the same vendor. So in my example today, I'm going to receive merchandise from multiple POs created for my vendor Dunlop. So I'm on my receiving screen right now. I'm just going to auto-assign a number, and I'm just going to right-click on the vendor name and sort it ascending to group up all my like vendors. So you can see I have 3 POs to receive against for Dunlop. So I'm going to select one, click OK, I get my pop-up and I click OK. Now when you are receiving, it is super important to come to the Lines tab and look at the merchandise on the Lines tab, open up the merchandise box, look inside the box, compare the merchandise in the box to what you see on the screen. So in this example, everything matches. So I'm going to go back up to Document. I'm going to click Select PO. And what Counterpoint's going to show me is a list of open POs for the vendor from the first PO, in this case Dunlop. So I'm just going to select another PO to receive against and click OK. And OK again. And again on the Lines tab, I'm going to make sure that the data on this tab matches the physical merchandise in the box. Now I'm ready to receive against the last PO. So I'm going to go to Document, Select PO. I'm going to select this bottom PO, click OK to the pop-up, and again, compare the physical merchandise to what's on the screen. Everything matches, it's all good, so I'm ready to post and move on. So that's how to receive against multiple POs on one single receiver. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching this week's video. I would love to hear from you. If you would like to submit a question or a suggestion for a future video, email me at training@cksystem.com with Note of the Week on the subject line. To request a free training catalog or to schedule training, call me at 888-476-7911, extension 3. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you next week.